100k Alliance. My name is Kevin Clarke. I am a member of the 100k Alliance, and I am glad that I took that step and joined forces, because I'm always looking for things that are going to give me a handsome return being in this space. I've been digital marketing, online marketing for over 2 decades. I love what I do. I've been absent from YouTube. I've decided to set up a channel, come back and add value and be rewarded for doing so at the same time. This is more for those that have looked at this opportunity and they've been scratching their head, like thinking, should I take that step? Does it work? So I'm here to give you that push so we can get the ball rolling, because it works 100%. I have the details, I have the receipts, so you'll have more of an idea of what it's like and what the commissions are like. One of the beautiful things about the 100k Alliance is this: it's a set up business, ready made, handed to you on a platter. And as people start to go inside of your business that's already set up, this is what will happen. People will go inside of your business, they'll go inside of a deep funnel, and these are passionate people that want what you are showing them, and you don't have to sell anything. You literally get your own business set up and a link, and all the information that's inside of the 100k Alliance is already done for you. All you do is you go through each step at your own leisure. Another great thing is this: the people behind the 100k Alliance are highly successful business people, especially online. So they're doing multi-millions between them, and they're passionate about helping you win. Another great thing about the 100k Alliance, which I'll show you, is when you are in, there's an amazing support group, and we all celebrate each other's success. Whenever there's a sale, whenever there's a commission made, whenever somebody needs help, there's always going to be somebody to help you. You're never stuck on your own. So one of the great things about the 100k Alliance is you'll be coached, your hand will be held, you'll have all of the support until you are doing 10k per month. Even when you've surpassed that, you can still tap into the 100k Alliance with the team and continue to do whatever you like. However, you won't even need to really be that much involved, because you'll have all of the knowledge that you need, because you've already built yourself up to get your 10k per month, right? If you are like me and you love helping others and you love being in that space where you can continually grow, the 100k Alliance is, again, truly awesome. What I like doing is, whenever people join this business, I like to show up, show some support and appreciation, and just show gratitude and help people. If they call out to me, help them to the best of my ability. So once you join the 100k Alliance, you'll be connected to myself along with everybody else inside of the 100k Alliance team. So you're never stuck, you're never on your own. It is brilliant. So I'm going to move on now to the inside support group of the 100k Alliance, right? So these are just examples of what's going on the inside. So when a sale's made, whoever's getting the commission is acknowledged. So we've got Chris offer there. Congratulations on your $297 commission sale. So I've congratulated Chris right there. Let me click like as well. Chris again, $497. Powerful. I've already acknowledged Chris. Well done. And that's me there, Kevin Clarke. Congratulations on your $297 sale. I've put there, I am grateful. And some more messages and stuff there. There's me again, $497 sale. I put there, I am grateful. And again there, $197 sale, and I've put there, I am grateful. Gratitude is a big thing to me. Gratitude, being in that state of gratitude, that vibration of gratitude, it's just a beautiful thing. So I will always show gratitude, because I know that it's not just my efforts, but it's everybody else that's helped me come to the place where I am in the here and now as we speak. So I am grateful, and the more grateful I am, is the more gratitude that abounds towards me, and I can help more people as well. If I'm in a position to help people, which I am, then I'll help people to the best of my ability. What another thing I love about this program is, you know, there's a ton of programs out there that have all of these claims, you know, set this up, set that up, and money will be piling in, and I don't know where you've been, what you've experienced. However, I've been in a place in the past where I invested in so many different products, so many different services, so much stuff, to the point where I got burnt out. I put out so much energy, blood, sweat and tears, and I've seen nothing come back from a lot of programs. But when you come across something that works all the way through, that's genuine from start to end, it's a beautiful thing. Because sometimes all we need is a bit of guidance, all we need is a bit of coaching. So if you've never had a coach, if you've never had a mentor to help you start your business, get going, make your first dollar online, make your first like 10,000 if you've not had anybody to hold your hand and do that, one of the best things you can do is connect with people that are getting those kind of results, rather than go to people that aren't getting them results but claim that they can get them results. I'd rather listen to somebody that's getting results. So I'm going to show you some commissions, right? So I'm inside my inbox here. So what you just seen on the other screen, in terms of congratulations Kevin in the support arena, in your inbox, what happens is you'll obviously receive your email stating that you've just earned commission. So here's an example. Warrior Plus affiliate sale, you've earned $94.16 from the 100k Alliance. You've earned $142.08. You've earned $237.91. You've earned $23.25. You've earned $15.13. You've earned $239.48. You've earned $17.89. You've earned $8.35. Now, if you're asking the question, why is there a fluctuation of commissions here in terms of the prices? This is the reason why. When people go to, once you've set up, so you set up, I'll leave details in fact in the description box so you can take a peek and then set up for yourself, right? But once you set up and you get going, this is what's going to happen. People are going to gravitate to your business. They're going to sign up, they're going to get involved, and once they're in, because they are highly passionate about what it is that you have to help them, you're not even selling, you're helping people basically get results, and you're being rewarded for it, right? So once you have yours set up and people start going through yours, they're going to go inside of a funnel which you don't build, you don't touch. It's got nothing to do with you, right? You've just positioned yourself strategically in order to be rewarded. So once they're in, for life, as long as they're in, they're going to receive offers that are suited to them because they've been asking for that type of information. And as they take up the offers, you're going to be paid. So there's a multitude of different offers, different price tickets for everybody that's doing different things. And what will happen is somebody will buy one of the programs, products or services, and you'll receive your $142.08. Somebody else will purchase somebody else, or the same person might even buy 3 different ones at the same time. Just like when I did around $600 in the same day. So that is pretty much it. That's the 100k Alliance. So I'm going to leave at this point because an amazing person has just walked into my shop. And take action. Take action. Thank you very much, buddy. Take action. Be the change that you want to see. There's plenty of room up the top. You are amazing. Stay free. That's it from me, Kevin Clarke. Believe in you. Details are in the inbox, in the description box rather. Bye for now.